So right now we're building these electric go-karts that came in kits, and we're finding a little trouble building them. There's definitely a few spots that we have to modify. Some of the holes aren't necessarily in the right place where you have to put the screws, but overall it's a really fun project.
These kits are designed to be built, disassembled, and rebuilt again by the students, and they basically have all the major components that a regular electric vehicle would have.
We've been working with mostly like gasoline engines and diesel, and now we're learning with full electric. So it's a whole different process with circuits and all that. So it's a different field, but it's pretty fun still.
Because that's the wave of the future. Currently, electric vehicles are hard to come by. The vehicles that are gas-powered that students learn on today are usually donated vehicles from the community. We're probably not going to find somebody to donate an actual electric vehicle at this point, so this is the best alternative.
We probably are older. There's probably going to be a lot more electric cars, so at least we would know how to work with them.
I'll have the Autos 1 students actually disassemble them in the fall, so they will be learning about fasteners, how to use tools properly through disassembling them, put them back into kits as parts, and then Autos 2 students will reassemble them.
I think that everything that I've learned from this class will definitely move me forward in life.